Well friends, here is the next problem. Before going to the problem, let me see the given direction. The given direction is, the following questions are based on the given diagram below, in which each figure represents a group. The numbers in the figure represents the numbers of the persons in the group. Here three figures are given, the triangle, circle and rectangle. Triangle represents agriculturists, circle represents teachers and rectangle represents doctors. The given question is, how many are only agriculturists? The options are 4, 5, 6 and 7. In the question they are asking agriculturists. That means we have to consider the given diagram only triangle. In that we have to see the only portion which is not overlapped either by circle or by rectangle. Now in this figure, the 7 is the number which is not overlapped by teachers and doctors. Therefore, the option 4th, which is having 7, is the right answer. Well friends, we will see some more problems.